is Wicked Shrapnel, and today I'm gonna put a spoiler on my Model 3. This was cheap. I got it for like 35 bucks on Amazon, and they sent these two little thin strips of double-sided tape, and I added an extra big thick row of 3M double stick tape. So let's see how it looks. Line it up. Looks about even there. I think that's good. Alright, that looks good. I'm going to take some masking tape. Hope that'll do ya. And I'm going to put it right here. I'm gonna cut it. This is just gonna be my guide. Know where it needs to line up. Now, pull this off. You know what? Forgot something. Set this up here. I want to clean the surface off. A little alcohol. Make sure it's nice and clean, so it sticks really good. There we go. Small detail, but an important step. And all right. Just gotta line it up. What I had before. Oh boy. It's lined up, but it needs to be. Well, that really grips on there, don't it? Well, it's lined up. It could be a little farther forward, but it wants to be here, so it's gonna stay there. That's where it wants to be. Let's tape off. Give it a little wipe down. Looks nice. Easy peasy. 35 bucks. A lot of places are selling them hundreds of bucks. This is a pretty cheap one, but it looks nice. Now I've got a spoiler to spoil things. Spoiler alert. Spoiler alert. I think it looks nice. So that was my quick little mod of the day. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll put a link to it in the description if you want to check it out. It's a referral link on Amazon, so I'll get a little credit if you use my link to buy it. I think they give me like something like 5% or something. Pretty cool. All right, well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll talk to you later. Take it easy.